Do you know how often you should change your furnace filter? It's not just a question of efficiency, it's about the quality of air you breathe in your home. Furnace filters are crucial in trapping dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. Regular maintenance is key, but did you know that there are different types of filters? Yes, from fiberglass to washable versions, each with its own pros and cons. So gear up as we're about to dive into the specifics of a fiberglass furnace filter. So, what exactly is a fiberglass furnace filter? Well, as the name suggests, it's a filter made from spun glass fibers. These fibers interlock to form a mat-like structure, which is then encased in a cardboard frame for stability and easy installation. The key role of this filter is to trap airborne particles, things like dust, pollen, and pet dander, preventing them from entering your furnace's blower fan. This is crucial because it keeps your furnace running efficiently and helps extend its lifespan. Now, one thing to remember here is that fiberglass furnace filters are disposable. They're not designed for long-term use and cannot be washed or cleaned. Once they're saturated with dust and debris, they must be replaced. This characteristic makes them a convenient choice for many, but it's also an aspect to consider in terms of environmental impact and ongoing costs. Now that we know what a fiberglass furnace filter is, how often should it be changed? The frequency of changing your fiberglass furnace filter depends on several factors. Typically, it's wise to swap out these filters every 30 to 90 days, contingent on the air quality in your home and the amount of dust. If you share your home with pets, or if someone in your household has allergies, you might need to change the filter more often to ensure optimal air quality. The golden rule is to monitor and replace the filter when it's dirty. But is fiberglass the best option for everyone? When it comes to furnace filters, one size does not fit all. This couldn't be truer when comparing fiberglass filters to their washable counterparts. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty. Fiberglass filters, for starters, are economically friendly, making them a popular choice. They're disposable, meaning you won't have to worry about cleaning them. However, their lifespan is shorter, and they may need to be replaced more frequently, adding to your maintenance task. On the flip side, we have washable filters. Yes, they may be a bit pricey up front, but consider their longevity. You can clean and reuse these filters, which could save you money in the long run. Performance-wise, they're constructed to trap smaller particles, offering enhanced air quality. Weighing the pros and cons, it becomes evident that both options have their merits. Are you looking for a cost-effective, no-fuss solution? Or perhaps you're leaning towards a long-term performance-driven option? Both options have their merits, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Keeping your furnace running smoothly is no small task. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. Furnace filters play a pivotal role in maintaining the efficiency of your furnace and the quality of your indoor air. We've explored the characteristics of fiberglass furnace filters, highlighting their affordability and ease of use, but also underlining their disposable nature. We discussed how these filters need to be replaced frequently, ideally every 30 days, to ensure optimal functioning of your furnace. We also compared fiberglass filters to washable alternatives, shedding light on the long-term cost-effectiveness of the latter, despite their higher initial cost. Yet each type has its own merits, and the best choice depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Ultimately, the goal is to keep your furnace running at peak efficiency. Remember, a well-maintained furnace filter not only protects your furnace, but also contributes to cleaner, healthier air in your home. For professional help, contact Medina Mechanical at 416-424-4328.